Risa, just a quick shopping at Sobeys, and I just want to show you what I got. Two nice batches of strawberries. I'm craving fresh fruit finally, and they look amazing. I'm gonna have that in my oatmeal, in my smoothies, just like that. Super delicious. You can dip them in PB2 and some little cherry tomatoes. Actually, they're grape tomatoes, sweet grape tomatoes. Two batches of asparagus. I love to steam it, roast it, add it to my stir fries. Some nice fresh parsley that I'm going to make in my different salads. Tomatoes. I've been craving a turkey BLT, or just having tomatoes cut up on your sandwiches adds extra bulk and flavor and filling, of course. I bought this wheat bran so that I can make some bran muffins, so stay tuned for that. And this Quaker oatmeal that I love because there is absolutely no sugar and 100 calories, so each package is only 3 smart points for those people on Weight Watchers. One of my favorite snacks are these Gadilla. They're in the kosher section, and they're a delicious corn snack, okay? They are 4 smart points for 3.5 cups, and they are super, super low, zero fat, zero sugar, you can see. And I mean, they're not high in protein, but if you want a good snack, these are the snack to buy. My other favorite thing is Opa dressing. Now, this time I bought the blue cheese. It is so thick and creamy. Great to just have for a veggie dip. And you could add it to chicken, fish, okay, on your salads. Super delicious. And that is what I bought today. Okay, just showing you. And continue to subscribe and look at all my other recipes that I have that I've incorporated some of these products. All right. And I have for lunch, dinner, breakfast, you name it, desserts, and please share with other people. Don't forget to ring the bell. And I love you guys. Check out my Facebook group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. Bye for now.